Okay, so for question number 14 in the midterm test, we know that ABCD is a quadrilateral, and if you connect these two diagonals, you find they are perpendicular to each other. Question, if we know the length of AC is 14 and we know the length of BD is 10, what is area of this quadrilateral ABCD? So basically for this one, we can use the half area model to complete this diagram, complete this shape, so that we'll have this rectangle like this. Okay, let's say this is a rectangle, and now you will see that sorry, I have to make this part a little bit closer to that. Look like this. Yeah. Okay, this is what we have, and you see that as for part A and part A, these two parts will be exactly the same, right? They share the same area, and also B and B will be the same, C and C will be the same, D and D will be the same. So can we get the area of this rectangle? I think it's easy to get that the area of the rectangle, right? Because the length of the rectangle is just the length of AC, which is 14, and the height of the rectangle equals to BD, right? You can move that BD to the side, so use that BD is 10. And now you will see that the area of this rectangle is 14 times by 10. We got 140 squared centimeters. Okay, and then the question is asking you what is the area of this quadrilateral, and you will see that 140 equals to 2 of A, 2 of B, 2 of C, and 2 of D, right? You add them together, but the question is asking what is 1A, 1B, 1C, and 1D. So you just use that 140 divided by 2, you will get the answer, which is 70 squared centimeters. In other words, if we are given a quadrilateral, and you know that if you connect the two diagonals, you got perpendicular to each other. For example, I just draw this quadrilateral randomly. Okay, let's see this one over here, and I tell you length of these two diagonals, one of that is 5, another one is 8. What is the area of this quadrilateral? You can just use these two diagonals times together and divide by 2. That will be the area of this quadrilateral, which equals to 5 times by 8 equals to 40, and divided by 2. That means the area of this part will be 20 to that. So that's it for this question.